Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a secret hack to create breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams 2025. Even though the feature isn't built in for everyone, here's the trick. Before your meeting, go into your Teams workspace and create a few private channels. Each of these channels will act like a separate breakout room. Then, invite the specific people you want into each channel. Now, when your meeting starts, simply tell your participants which channel to jump into. They can meet, talk, and collaborate privately in their group, just like a breakout room. And when you're ready to bring everyone back, they just rejoin the main meeting. That's it. With this simple channel hack, you've basically unlocked breakout rooms inside Microsoft Teams without needing any fancy add dash-ons. So now you know how to create breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams 2025 with this hidden method. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials.